Hi guys, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge. So in this, every week we'll be giving you development challenges to give you an hands-on experience in coding to improve your skills on coding. So this is weekend 32 and let's see the problem statement. So this project is basically about a weekly fitness progress analyzer project. So in this, the chef wants a tool that can instantly analyze the week's worth of data to see the total steps of that particular week, whatever total steps of that particular week, find the average steps daily, average steps walked daily, identify which day was most active, peak performance, that was the most number of steps, and which day was the lowest number of steps, and see the step count sorted from the lowest to highest as on which day was the highest, which day was the count highest, which day was the lowest count lowest. So let's see the code. First, we have a function called generate step data. So in this, we have a random seed, that is, we want different numbers every time. So then basically what we are doing is we are generating random numbers, that is 7 random numbers between 3000 to 12,000. Any steps between 3000 to 12,000 for 7 days, 7 random numbers. Now, after that, we have the second function, that is reshape weekly data. So we have to convert that into a 2D matrix, 2D array. So basically 1 week into 7 days. So 1 into 7. So we have to convert that, reshape it into 1 into 7. So basically 1 week, 7 days data. Now, after that, we have weekly analysis. So how do we do that weekly analysis? Is basically, we have a variable total steps. So how do we calculate this? Is basically the weekly matrix ka sum. So we have to calculate the entire sum of that particular matrix. So and give the total number of steps, and average daily is basically mean of that particular week's data. After that, we return both total steps and daily average. Now this is also done. Now the next program, the next function is basically find peak activity. So how do you find the peak activity? Is basically argument max and argument minimum. So this gives you the highest number and the lowest number in that particular array, 2D array. So this is arg max and arg minimum. In that steps, whatever the input would be given. So we have the most active data day index and least active day index. Now after that, we have the sort data. So this sort data is basically, we are sorting it in the ascending order. So we're not using it in the descending order. So we are just using the command sort, np.sort, so that sorts it to you in a proper way. And here we have all the main function where we have all the original, the same functions, which is called here properly. So let me run the program now. So you can see the total number of steps are given here. The highest goes with the Monday and lowest goes with Sunday. So 3, 4, 6 would be Sunday. So yeah, this is converted into a 2D array, that is a matrix, and then weekly total steps is 52,000 and average steps is 7,453.71 per day. Most active day is the index 0, that is 10,270, and the least active day is index 6, that is 3466, and sorted steps is also mentioned. Let me submit the program. Yeah, the test cases is passed, and I'll see you next video. Thank you.